Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. So let's see what is in store of the cards today. The novice, innocence. Okay, I shall combine this and then we will do the reading. Love. Now that's a beautiful card. A card of novice and love. So maybe for some of you, something new related to love is going to come. Something beautiful related to love is going to come. Some of you might meet the love of your life today. Some of you might get a chance to meet your loved ones. If you love someone and they are far away from you, there are chances that you might meet them. But other than that, what is in store for you today? Now, as I said, novice is innocence. Maybe something new is coming, new information, new project, or a new lesson to learn. Sometimes this card comes, when something unknown is coming in our lives, but this unknown is actually nothing to worry about. It's for good, and sometimes it's a situation where you just need to look into it and learn a lesson because you're just looking over there. You are seeing what is happening, but you're not ready to learn the lesson. So the card can also mean that if there's something which is coming in your life, then it's a lesson which is coming. So learn the lesson before taking any decisions. Think twice, think practically, think what is good and what is wrong, and then you take the decision. So today is a day where if you are expecting a new project, it might come for you. New finances, new opportunities, everything new on your way. Now coming to the card love. Love is where it is, like a day of love, a day of magic, a day to flow in bliss. Also, this card comes when you need to love yourself unconditionally, respect yourself unconditionally, and understand one thing that you need to be the way you are. And this card can also come for those who want to get married or want to attract a partner, but they don't know what to do and how to go about it, and then they just feel that maybe we are not worthy of love. So that also is the biggest blockage, because today the main focus is on love. I would suggest carry a rose quartz with you, and if possible do some affirmations on self love, that I am loved, everyone loves me, I love myself. Some affirmations on self love. Also today, do the Gayatri mantra Om Bhur Bhuvasva if you can for 108 times, because somewhere the new beginning should come with the blessings of the divine, and for that I am asking you all to do a Gayatri mantra. Carry a rose quartz with you. Also today, wear the color white, because you need a lot of calmness, you need a lot of blessings, and you need a lot of clarity for the new things that are coming in your life, so that you can take it forward in a beautiful way. Have a beautiful and a loved day ahead. Thank you.